Over a single week, a city dweller tests 5 practical fixes that turn everyday habits into real carbon savings. They repair and reuse, choosing second chances over disposables, patching clothes, mending dishes, and embracing local repair communities. Daily updates reveal time, money, and happiness shifts as the footprint shrinks while creativity grows. Viewers hear personal stories of small breakthroughs and honest hurdles, plus actionable tips to start repairing today. The week ends with a simple challenge: choose one repair a week and log the impact to inspire others to act.